all of us here at WHO 13 are excited to start our third full season broadcasting high school football games in prime time. And we kicked off 2024 with a rare Thursday night game. It's Perry and Hoover season opener in prime time from Mediacom Stadium. It's beautiful. Blue Jays strike first, but Hoover answers. Dion Berry gets out wide, finds some room down the sideline, and he is gone. 68-yard touchdown. Hoover ties it at 7. Later in the first tier, Perry up 14-7, and the give to Jacobo Serna Gomez, and he's through, untouched. Perry taking control of the game, up 21-7. But in the second, the big play strikes again for Hoover. Sam Zeze airs it out, and Justice Parkey is there, shakes a defender for the score. Huskies back in it after the 63-yard touchdown. But Jaron Kenny will answer for Perry here. The QB cuts back through traffic, a 29-yard touchdown. Good for him. But weather takes over late in the second quarter, and a postponement followed. Perry and Hoover called. They'll resume the game at 4:30 tonight with the Blue Jays leading 28-21. Keith Murphy and Justin Surensee wrap up the night.
Well, that's kind of a bummer. That was an exciting first half of football. Perry leading 28-21, but Justin, we kind of knew the storm was coming, and it arrived.
We sure did. You know, the players out here from Hoover and Perry were lighting up the scoreboard. Unfortunately, Mother Nature decided to light up the sky, and now we're in a delay that looks like it won't be ending anytime soon.
Yeah, and these teams so desperately want a win, and they both have a shot. It's just trading haymakers back and forth. So, you know, the Blue Jays and Huskies are bummed that they can't finish this tonight.
You know, the good thing is, despite we may not have a winner or a loser or, you know, what have you, but we do have explosive plays, and they can take that with them, those positives from this game on both sides of the ball, and really feel good into week 2.
I have a feeling it's getting worse. We better get out of here.